Hello silly bakers, let's make the best ever healthy apple crisp. You want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to start by making the crumble. We're going to grab a medium to small bowl and we are going to add half a cup of rolled oats. These are sprouted rolled oats. Use any oats that you love. We'll need 1/3 of a cup of flour. You can use any flour that you have, all-purpose, whole wheat, spelt flour, oat flour. This is almond flour. This is 1/3 of a cup of coconut sugar. You can use any brown sugar that works for you. Half a cup of raw pecans that I've chopped. 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. And just a couple of pinches of nutmeg. We are going to mix these ingredients before we add the butter. Don't forget to take a second and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell. This is 1/4 cup of butter, cold butter that I've cubed, and we are just going to mix all these ingredients together. We want to create clumps and clusters of this crumble to add to our apple crisp. You want it to look like that. We are now going to place this in the fridge while we start with the apples. We're using 5 to 6 medium-sized apples. These are, I would say, small to medium, so I'm going to use actually 6 of these apples. And what I'm going to do is peel them and slice them. We do want to slice the apples quite thin so they cook through evenly during that cooking time. I'm using 1/4 cup of maple syrup. If you're using a tartar apple, then I would go up to 1/3 a cup. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And I'm going to use 1/8 of a teaspoon of nutmeg. If you don't love nutmeg, you can omit it. I'm using about 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. You can also use a liqueur here if you like. You can use bourbon, you can use whiskey, whatever you like. And we're just going to give everything a good mix. I like to leave these to hang out for 5 to 10 minutes, just so it really absorbs those flavors. And after about 10 minutes, I'm going to grab my apples and we are going to add 1/3 of a cup of that oat crumble mixture. This is actually going to help absorb and thicken some of the liquid that is released when the apples are cooking. This way we don't have to add any additional thickener. I'm going to add those apples to my greased 8x8 baking dish. And now we're just going to add the crumble to the top. Try to evenly distribute it as much as you can and try to cover all of your apples. We're ready to bake 45 to 55 minutes until it's browned and until the apples are nice and bubbly. You can serve this warm, you can serve it cold. I love to serve this with vanilla Greek yogurt. My husband loves it with vanilla ice cream, but you guys do you. I love to add the additional protein here. Enjoy the best ever healthy apple crisp. It's an easier alternative to pie, a little healthier, naturally sweetened, and you can add some extra protein with that yogurt. It's great any time of day. It is absolutely delicious.